वाओ, ओके। सो बहुत ज्यादा शरारती।
बहुत ज़्यादा शरारती, हाँ शरारतें भी की हैं
और
बहुत ज़्यादा।
चीजें टेढ़ी मेढ़ी। एंड कोई ऐसा प्रैंक जो स्कूल में कभी कुछ किया हो या घर पे किया हो जिसकी आज तक याद है कि ओ गॉड ये मैंने जो किया था तो मुझे।
आई थिंक 7th ग्रेड में मैं स्कूल में था, मेरे स्कूल वालों को एक ब्रिलियंट आइडिया आया कि लड़के लड़कियों को अलग कर देते हैं ताकि ये लड़के ज़्यादा तमीज़ में आ जाएंगे।
Okay.
उन्होंने 8th ग्रेड में जब हम आए तो लड़के लड़कियों को अलग कर दिया सेक्शन, और उनकी सबसे बड़ी गलती थी वो, क्योंकि वो सारे लड़के जब एक साथ में, जब लड़कियां होती हैं आपकी क्लास में आपके प्रेशर होता है ना तमीज़ से जेंटलमैन बन के रहने का, सब एवरीथिंग वेंट आउट ऑफ द विंडो एंड दैट 1 ईयर ऑफ ऑल है, एंड इट वाज ओनली आवर क्लास। उन्होंने सिर्फ 8th ग्रेड के लिए टेस्ट किया था वो हमारे ईयर के लिए कि इनके ऊपर टेस्ट करते हैं, इफ इट वर्क्स आउट देन वील इम्प्लीमेंट इट।
ओके।
और वो जो हमारा ईयर था 8th ग्रेड का, ऑल द बॉयज गॉट टुगेदर इन वन साइड ऑफ द स्कूल and we were raising all kinds of hell, you know, like all kinds of hell, you have no idea. कुछ चीज़ें अगर मैं आपको बताऊंगा तो मेरी हेडमिस्ट्रेस उस ज़माने के भी सोचेगी अच्छा ये उन्होंने किया था। she'll find out.
So नहीं बताएंगे, कुछ नहीं बताएंगे, कोई एक चीज बता दो। अब कुछ करेंगे
so
all
kinds all kinds of pranks, लोगों के बैग्स में चीजें डाल देना जो उनको सरप्राइज करें, to you know to tying people, उनके बैकपैक्स को हम सीटों से बांध देते थे, तो वो जब बैकपैक उठा के निकले तो पूरी सीट उठा के जा रहे होते थे साथ में। We did a lot of such things and I'm only telling you the things that I can tell you on camera right now.
तो ये तो स्कूल, बट IBA एक्सपीरियंस, एनीथिंग यू डिड until then या IBA तक you were?
No, so even in IBA, me and my bunch of friends that we had, we always like to have a good laugh. पढ़ाकू नहीं कहूँगा, but हम सारों के अच्छे grades आते थे, so we used to get away with that. We were the ones जो, it's true, पूरा साल बदमाशियाँ करते थे, end में आके हफ्ता बंद करके numbers ले लेते थे, so we would get away with it, so it continued. I think that this is, so we once did a Zarurat-e-Rishta picture for which for one of the people in our class. उसकी तस्वीर लेके हमने पूरा ज़रूरत-ए-रिश्ते का ऐड बनाया था और वो ऑनलाइन डाल दिया था और नंबर भी उसी का डाल दिया था। so yeah.
So that's cute.
He used to
How
get,
did it go?
I think he had to change his number, I'm sure. क्योंकि उसमें जो डिटेल्स डाली हुई थी ना वो they were enough to start a new debate.
Oh my god. Okay, so घर में like you were the only शरारती one or your sister, brother, they were also?
I think it was the reverse at home. At home, I was the oppressed one because my eldest brother was a prankster and a half. My sister is still a prankster and a half.
Okay.
And my younger brother, to mashallah, out of all of it, I think घर पे I would say I'm the most docile. So you can imagine what my other siblings have been up to. So yeah, so we always had fun and like we were very close, tight knit circuit with our siblings. So we used to be up to all kinds of stuff. I remember once as a kid we chupan chupai khel rahe the, and my two elder siblings, my sister and my brother, we were moving from one house to another. So there were these big wooden जो boxes नहीं होते जिसमें जाते थे, तो मुझे एडवाइस दी उनमें से एक में कि एक ने बोला छुपते हैं, दूसरा पकड़ेगा, और जो दूसरे दे वर बोथ इन ऑन इट, दूसरे ने बोला कि अच्छा यहाँ पे छुप जा, यहाँ पे नहीं ढूंढ पाएगी वो, तो आई वेंट इनटू द बॉक्स, ऊपर से उन्होंने बॉक्स बंद किया एंड दे फॉरगॉट अबाउट मी एंड दे लेफ्ट एंड दे वेंट आउट बाहर खेलने वाले के लिए, बिकॉज आई वाज आल्सो यंगर देन देम, दे वर क्लोजर इन एज, सो दे रियली डिडंट वांट टू प्ले विद मी एज मच फॉर अबाउट अ ईयर दैट हैपेंड. So I was locked in that box for about 2-3 hours.
Oh my god!
But it was okay, but because I used to get back at them in my own ways.
What is one thing that you really miss about your brother?
The shelter that you get when you have an elder brother who cares for you is the one thing. जैसे वो क्योंकि you know बचपन में आपने काफ़ी वो ads आया करते थे आटे वाटे के जलेबी वगैरह के, वो जो बच्चा होता था and he would always have that my daddy strongest वाले ads नहीं होते थे. So with even an elder brother, having an elder brother who's like a fatherly figure, is the best part is that you always feel protected. And the day it happened, the next day after that, I kind of felt like a little. You feel nude, you know, you feel exposed.
सब निकल गई.
So वो थोड़ा सा होता है, and so I think that's the biggest thing, and just the warmth and the love that you get. But he's in a better place.
Yeah, sure. If you could tell him something, would it that be? One thing जो आपको है कि मैं इसको.
I think one thing that I didn't tell him was how much I appreciated him for being the way that he was with me. Like I said, He was very loving, he was very caring, he taught me so much and I used to look up to him, but we always kept that elder brother, younger brother thing going. So in that equation, what happens is the younger brother, hamesha, there's always like, acha main isko, kind of a thing. But once you lose it, when you lose that is when you realize what you've lost. And that's human nature. You only realize a beautiful thing once you've lost it. And that's the only regret that I have, that if I could just go back and tell him what he meant to me.
A lot of people go through these situations. Aajkal, any advice you want to give to people who go through similar, because you and your family went through a very tough time. So what advice would you give to people who are going through such incidents in life?
It took me some time because I completely ignored it, the process, the healing process, and even the acceptance for me. You can denial, acceptance, sab kuch jo hota. So acceptance came very late for me because I tried to deal with it by distracting myself with work, or with, I completely jumped into work. I started working 12 hours a day and all of that. So it took a toll on me, because then it came to a point where I was going to crash if I didn't let out all of these things. So my thing would be that the grieving process is necessary. Take that time, grieve, and then celebrate that life. Remember that life in good ways. It's a process. You have to go step by step. You can't jump. ये वो नहीं है कि आपने 2 class jump करके आगे चले गए. That happened to me, and I suffered because of it. And if I was to give advice, I would give advice that indulge in the grieving process and then move on to celebrating that life as quickly as you can, because that will be the part. That will help you, accept it in the end.
Okay, कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि ऐसा time के famous हो रहे हो गए हो, like जब time हुआ है, and then you go out somewhere, you're like, यार मुझे तो लोग पहचानते हैं, they'll know me, and I can just go and वहाँ कुछ किसी ने पहचाना नहीं, like यार मैं कैसे इनको बताऊँ कि मैं कौन हूँ, और कुछ ऐसा time कभी कुछ आया?
Actually, on the contrary, the way that I am, I get a little frazzled by this as well. So sometimes the idea is to be incognito mode. So most of the times the idea is that you do your bit and get out of it without getting noticed.
Yeah.
So it's always usually on the contrary, the other way around. But I will not deny that sometimes I have used it to get certain kind of treatment. Well, it's sweet, I'm usually, in terms of discipline, I want people to stay in line. I don't want to cut line, this, that, the other thing. But sometimes होता क्या है कि आप किसी situation में तो कोई आके आपको बोलता है, सर आप यहाँ आ जाइए कल में. So एक दफ़ा किया था जो कि बहुत बुरा था, but I was really late for a flight this one time. And literally 10 मिनट रह गए थे. और अब से, if you noticed, check-in 45 minutes वाली चीज़ उन्होंने enforce कर दी है. 45 minutes to an hour. पहले नहीं होता था, पहले आप 15 मिनट पहले भी आ जाते थे.
Talking about domestic flight or
domestic flights. International में तो ये आप पंगा नहीं ले सकते.
यहाँ पंगा नहीं ले सकते.
But domestic में, I think the last time जब मेरे साथ ये हुआ था वो यही हुआ था, and usually it always happens when I'm traveling to Islamabad because I have a lot of friends. So right after work I try to meet my friends and stuff.
Yeah.
So we got late again, and this was previous airport, जो पुराना airport था, this is about a year back. And I got there and only about 10 minutes left to the flight.